So Sam, what's the big deal with the new Nissan Almera? I mean, I already know that it has a great 1-liter turbo engine. That's a great ride. It looks fantastic with the new grille, the new wheels, the new colors. What else is new?
Well, it has the NissanConnect services.
Nissan Connect. Oh, you mean like the intelligent around view monitor with the moving object detection, the automatic emergency braking, the high beam assist? Is that what you mean? No? Okay.
The car still has that, but I mean
All right.
NissanConnect Services.
Nissan Connect. What exactly is that?
Basically, the car seamlessly connects to your phone.
Okay.
And in turn, it lets you use the car's integrated functions.
Show me.
Here's an example. It's a hot day. You're coming back from work. You can remotely unlock the car and start the engine to cool off your cabin.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
And here's another thing. Say you can't find your car in the parking lot. You can have the car honk its horn and flash its lights, so it's easier for you to find it. That's it.
That's very useful. I'll give you that.
Here's another thing.
Okay.
So this car's built-in satellite navigation allows you to keep track of it wherever it is. And since you have kids,
Unfortunately.
you can set a curfew, area, and speed limit alert to always watch on them.
I like that.
Say if somebody tries to steal your car, it will also alert you when that's happening.
Look at all these buttons, Sam. But what does this one do?
Don't press it. Let me explain.
Okay.
Say that your kids are out on a drive, knock on wood, they get into an accident, the car and the app will automatically notify you of a collision.
All right.
But also, that button
This
there,
one here?
Yes.
Okay.
That will, if you press that, it will make an emergency call.
Can I press it?
No. And I know how much you tend to forget your vehicle's service intervals.
You could say that.
The Nissan Connect app can remind you when it's time to bring it in for PMS.
Nice. But what about daily status checkups?
The vehicle health report will give you stuff like tire pressure, oil pressure, ABS, brake fluid, and more.
So let me get this straight. All of this happening through my smartphone.
Yes, this app right here.
Very nice. You know, I thought the Almera was a good car before, but all of this makes it even better.
For 1.149 million, you can get this Nissan Almera VL with 3 years of Nissan Connect services worth 30,000 pesos.
Visit your Nissan showroom to see how it all works so beautifully with the new Nissan Almera.
And you're gonna lend your kids one of these, aren't you?
I will think about it.